What's good, everybody? See, flexing on. I don't got muscles, but I tried. See, I got muscles though. But anyways, man, I am here. As you can see, I am doing a little bit of fish. So what you need to do is, I'm just adding warm water on it. You know, get these pots out of here. Get these pots out of here, pans, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so basically what you're doing is you know, and you have the pork, you know what I'm saying? My muscles do really be flexing though. I just need to lose some weight. But anyways, yeah, so basically that's what you do. And then basically you just add warm water to it. Not hot, not cold. You know what I'm saying? And you just let it sit there, marinate, whatever, how you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? So you got the pork, you got the chicken right here, and then you got the fish. Fish is going to be right here. See the fish? Yeah, so you basically just do the same thing. And that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, take care of yourself and each other.